All right, I had to come back in. I was about to mow a yard, and I engaged my my blades, and they didn't move. Like, what in the world's going on here? So I opened it up, and I didn't see nothing. The belts were on and everything. And then I went underneath the mower to like make sure anything was caught inside by the blades, preventing it from turning on. And they moved freely, so like spinning rope freely. So okay, something's up. So I looked carefully. Okay, this is what I saw right here. So this pulley right here, it broke. The inside broke the guts. All right, so I'm about to take it off and find out what's going on. This pulley right here.
Let me see.
This one. Where it's inside
the bracket?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it just fell off, huh?
Yeah.
I wonder why.
No idea, but we're gonna find out. Sorry for the camera, y'all. So I was gonna go find me the part right now. So I got Western Auto. They're a dealership that I used when I was living in like in the other part of town. They're still open. They close at 5:30. Right now it's 4:09. So I'm gonna give them a call, see if they got this part, so we can get back in the fight. What in the world is going on here? I don't know what happened. This whole thing just came out. I have no idea, y'all. So it should be looking like something like that one right there. Like this. This whole gut in there came off. All right, I'm gonna go to that dealership and see if they got that that pulley right there. All right, check it out. I found like a little piece. I found a little piece of the center of that pulley. Yeah, so just to give you a little history of this mower. It's my primary mower, and only has like a little over 500 hours on it. But I've been doing a lot. I've been doing like a lot of overgrown mowing. So that's why you gotta do weekly cuts, y'all, because that way you don't work your mower. You know what I mean? Like too much when you have overgrown yards. So I just started doing some like weekly cuts, starting like last week. So that could be the reason why. Plus some of the areas where I mow is like very sandy. You know, that's what I was told. If there's like a lot of sand, it's real bad for the bearings. I don't know. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a pulley mechanic for zero turns. But I'm gonna go get this part, y'all. So I'll get back with y'all. Just filming. Filming. Do it like this sideways. All right, y'all. I totally forgot to show you me putting the pulley on, but I got the pulley on there. Okay. So long video short. Do your own repairs. All right. Look up the parts online. All right. Your owner's manual should have like a parts list. Look at that parts list, find out what you need, and go call our dealership. Hey, here's a part number. They have it. Go buy it. If we take it over to them to do it, this costs $36. This idler pulley, they'll charge you probably like an extra $50, and you could do it yourself. All right. So I'm I'm doing it right here, y'all. I'm putting it back on, and that's it. Alright? Alright, you can go ahead and pause it. So to put this pulley back on, I mean to put the belt back on, it's easy. Look at this right here. It shows you right here, y'all. Alright? For 2 blades, 3 blades. We got 3 blades, okay? All you gotta do is follow that picture. Okay? I gotta take this little guard off right here. And when we're at it, just clean all this crap out. Okay, this is bad, okay? This is called a fire. This is like 3 days worth of mowing, alright? So I didn't clean it out. Hey, you can learn from me, okay? Don't do this. Don't freaking forget to clean out all this grass clippings, because this could cause a fire. Alright, so make sure that's on there right there. Make sure put the back part on here. The back part's on there. All you gotta do is follow the picture, y'all. They try to make it real easy for us. This, bro, I got a lot of grass. This is a bad example I'm setting for you. All right. But hey, this is a how-to channel. I'm showing you how to know what not to do. All right. Don't ever neglect blowing off your mower. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm gonna put this part on there right here. I got that on there. I got this on here. Here's a trick right here. So now you need to get a bar. What I want to do, I want to push that idler pulley to release, to get some, what do you call it? Some slack. All right. So just get somewhere right there, and while you're pulling it, you see I can put the this belt on here. While you're pushing the idler pulley, get in there, bam, it's done. That's all you gotta do, y'all. And then blow it off. Thank you, Anna. Make sure I don't blow my little thingies off. Test out the idler pulley, y'all. All right, let's test it out. It is good to have like a little magnet, like little washers or screws fall off. You could just reach down and bam, it catches it. Works, all right. Hey, buy the parts yourself, okay? Look it up, Google, put your model, the model of your zero turn, your mower. Oh, pop up a parts list, or it's in your owner's manual. Look it up, get that part number, call your local dealer. Hey, do you got this part number? Yeah, we do. Okay, I'm on my way. Go pick up that part and do it yourself, y'all. Alright, where's the camera right over here? Okay, so hey, I hope you learned something, okay? But hey, so I know we talked about don't lowbar yourself. Why? Because it costs money to repair, maintenance, fuel costs money. Alright? You're paying to use this body, okay? Wear and tear on your body, but you know what you're also paying for? Is your boots. Look what just happened. This happened, Anna, today. It just happened while I was doing a quote. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. All right. These are good boots, man. But use them so much. It says waterproof, right? I've been in wet ditches, walking sideways on slopes, all that pressure, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you get a good boot, all right? So I bought these at the Boot Barn. The last ones I had a warranty. I was able to just trade them out. So I'm gonna go over there and show them these boots, see if I can trade them out. If I can't, I'm just gonna buy new boots though. But you need good boots, alright? Boots with good soles, okay? And that are waterproof. Alright, but yeah, this is what happened, y'all. Okay, you know what I mean? You know the quotes the quotes that you give out is to pay for your income, but you also need to pay for maintenance for your equipment, parts, fuel, gas for your vehicle, for maintenance on your trailer, all right, and just freaking boots. Okay, but hey, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Thank you, bye.